and welcome to the Kualitee Cypress integration tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can post your report to Kualitee whenever an execution is run on any CI/CD. For that, the first thing you're going to need is your framework in which you have scripted your test cases. Over here, I have a Cypress framework ready. The first thing that I will need to do is install Kualitee Cypress. And once that is done, you will be able to see the Kualitee Cypress shown over here. The next thing that you need to do is adding the configurations. Three things are required: the token, the project ID, and the report part. The first is token. For that, you go to Kualitee, click on your user profile, API token, and generate new token. The next thing is required is the project ID. Select the project that you want to work on. After that, click on Test Lab, Test Case Execution. Have a dummy test case on this test case execution. Click on Copy JSON, and over here you'll be able to see the project ID. And last but not the least, the report bar. So my reports are generated in the Cypress reports folder, and so I have done that. Once that is done, the next thing that you'll need to do is go into your Cypress config file and import post report from Kualitee Cypress. Once that is done, you just copy the setup notes on after run so it will post a result and paste it. Over here, I have pasted it. The next thing is just to run your execution. And now I'll start my execution. Currently, I'm going to be executing two of my test cases. The first is success login, and then the other is failed login. Once the execution is complete, it will show on your console whether the Kualitee tool has uploaded the report or not. Once you have seen that message, you'll be good to go ahead. Over here, it says the report generated successfully on Kualitee tool. Now you can go back onto Kualitee tool. Over here on test case execution, you click on refresh. And here we have two test cases created, one for the passed and one for the failed. Now, if you go into the failed test case by click on execute, we can see the steps, the Gherkin steps that were needed are already assigned over here. And also, we can also see that a defect ID has already been associated since this test case has failed. And this is how the Kualitee Cypress library works. Thank you.